The United States is now preparing to send a third aircraft carrier to the Middle East. Yes, tensions in the region are rising again, and the world's biggest military powers are increasing their presence in nearby waters. The US aircraft carrier USS Gerald R, which was previously stationed in the Mediterranean Sea, has now been moved through the Suez Canal and deployed into the Red Sea. This move is being seen as a major strategic step to strengthen America's military presence in the region and to support Israel's defense if the situation escalates. Main story. At the same time, reports suggest that another US aircraft carrier could soon be positioned in the Mediterranean Sea, closer to Israel. If that happens, it would mean multiple American carrier strike groups operating near the Middle East. And that's a big deal. An aircraft carrier is not just a ship. It is essentially a floating military base, capable of carrying dozens of fighter jets, missile defense systems, and thousands of military personnel. Whenever a superpower deploys aircraft carriers to a region, it sends a clear signal that it is ready to respond to any potential conflict. European powers also moving. But the United States is not the only country preparing for possible escalation. The United Kingdom and France are also reportedly getting ready to send their naval forces closer to the region. France's President Emmanuel Macron has already ordered the French aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle to move toward the Mediterranean Sea near Israel. The Charles de Gaulle is the flagship of the French Navy and one of the most powerful warships in Europe. Its deployment shows that European powers are also closely watching the situation. Why this matters? Military analysts say the deployment of multiple aircraft carriers indicates that global powers want to be prepared for any sudden crisis in the Middle East. The region has always been one of the most politically sensitive areas in the world. And when powerful countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and France start positioning their military forces nearby, it often signals that the stakes are getting higher. So the big question now is this simply a show of military power? Or is the world preparing for a larger geopolitical crisis? The coming days could be extremely important for the future of the Middle East.